From high school to the high life, the entrepreneurial journey for David Karandish and Chris Sims began in a physics class and flourished during their college years. From networking to business risks and mentoring to investing, they have experienced all stages in the entrepreneurial cycle.
My biggest source of pride in terms of everything we've done here, being able to work with my best friend from high school, my years at WashU here, and actually get off the ground and be able to support ourselves and our families doing what we love.
We have two distinct divisions, Answers.com, which is one of the world's largest question and answer websites, and then we have a large customer experience platform called VARSITY. We have about 150 people who work in the Del Mar Loop, and then about 500 people who work for the company around the globe.
As undergraduates, Karandish and Sims dove headfirst into internet marketing with search engine optimization consulting.
It became clear really quickly that David was going to be the guy out there striking deals, and I was going to be the guy building our sites. Over time, I stayed in more of a back office role. David moved from landing our initial sales to raising capital, acquiring other companies, and I moved on to building the internal marketing team and a lot of the technology that enabled us to do our initial marketing and building our websites.
Ultimately, the combination of computer science and entrepreneurial studies paired with dedicated faculty and advisors was a recipe for success.
We built a marketing platform that we use to help partners like Yahoo and Google go out and attract more eyeballs to the products they're pushing. So we took that technology platform and we said, we think it'd be a great idea to apply it to a top 20 website. So that led to the acquisition of Answers.com.
In 2003, Karandish and Sims launched Expo Group, an online resource in the consumer financial services industry. After selling the company, they developed a relationship with Yahoo to launch FindStuff.com.
Since then, we acquired 7 other companies. Half of those were to support the publishing business, which is advertising based. That's the revenue model behind Answers.com. And the other businesses are actually in the cloud services space, where we work in a business-to-business fashion. We're continuously looking at acquisition targets on both sides, new product lines, and doing our best to run both of those companies.
Answers.com empowers consumers with trustworthy information and offers marketers one-stop solutions for integrated media. In 2014, global private equity firm Apax Partners acquired Answers for approximately $950 million. This acquisition validated their continued leadership, transformative approach, and track record for positive results.
Chris and David are making a big impact at the WashU University, and they're helping students because they are role models of people that were amongst them as a student and have done extraordinary things in building a great blockbuster company.
WashU is a talent magnet. This is a place where bright young minds want to go to learn and to grow.
One way they're giving back is that they are mentoring others. They've invested in other startups out of WashU University, in particular VARSITY tutors, but they guest lecture and are very much aligned with trying to help the university.
I look forward to lots of companies being created out of WashU University in St. Louis. I look forward to being able to give back.
Karandish and Sims also add their creative ideas as council members for the Skandalaris Center for Interdisciplinary Innovation and Entrepreneurship. In 2014, Karandish received a gold prize from CEO World Awards, Silver Stevie for Executive of the Year from American Business Awards, and in 2012 was named to the St. Louis Business Journal's class of 40 under 40. Karandish and his wife Erin are Elliott Society members and reside in St. Louis, Missouri with their 3 daughters.
It's a huge honor to be recognized as an Entrepreneur of the Year through the engineering school. WashU is extremely supportive in helping both Chris and myself get to where we're at on this journey.
As an active investor in St. Louis startups, Sims recently funded the LEAD School, a social special education school that provides an intensive academic program within a safe, supportive environment. Sims and his wife, Sherry, are Elliott Society members and reside in Clayton, Missouri with their 2 sons.
This recognition is a piece of a long-term plan I see for myself being here in the community and continuing to be involved with WashU for the long run.
When I think about the circle of business life, our real business ventures and endeavors started right here at WashU.